Hello everyone, I am Madhura L from First Time Honda section. Today's subject is Python programming and the topic is List Tuples Dictionary. Introduction to Python. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language which was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command, unlike other programming languages which often use semicolons or parentheses. And the example is print hello comma world. In Python, a list is a type of data structure that enables users to store information in sequence to constitute a record. Its indexing starts from 0. A list can keep any data, integer, character, boolean, string. Before we jump to Python list operations, it is recommended you go through the Python data types. Let us discuss the characteristics of a list. Operations on list. A list is in Python is built using square brackets. We write the values inside the square brackets separated by commas. Code to create a list, and this is the code for it. Access Python list elements. If suppose there is a Python list that has more than one element and the user wants to access a particular element from that list, then that can be done by just declaring that index in square brackets. As we know, indexing starts at 0. So to access the first element of a list, we need to input 0 into the square brackets and so on for subsequent elements. An example is Python coding underscore list is equal to coding comma ninjas comma data comma science. Name colon coding underscore list. Print coding underscore list 1 and the output is ninjas. List operations in Python. Below are some of the commonly used list operations in Python. First one is append. As we know, a list is mutable. We can add an element at the back of the list using an inbuilt function of Python list operation append. Let us see implementations of it. Python my underscore list is equal to 1, 2, 3. My underscore list dot append is 9. My underscore list dot append 8. Print the list after append operation is my underscore list. Here we created a list called my underscore list and added elements to the list. The output of the above code is the list after append operation is 1, 2, 3, 9, 8. Second one is extend. Extend method can be used to add more than one element at the end of a list. Let us understand the function by its implementation. Python my underscore list dot extend 20, 21. Print the list after extend. Operator is my underscore list. Output the list after extend. Operator is 1, 2, 3, 8, 10, 11, 12, 20, 21. By entering the values in the square bracket inside the function extend, we can see that all the elements are added to the list. Third one is insert. Now we can insert an element in between the list using the inbuilt function of Python list operation insert. Python my underscore list dot insert 5, 30. Print the list after insert operator is my underscore list. In this function, the first input is the position at which the element is to be added, and the second input is the element's value. Here, after using the insert, we have added 30 at 5th position in my underscore list. Hence, the updated list will be the list after insert operator is 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 30, 10, 11, 12, 20, 21, 20, 21. Fourth one is remove. The way we added an element between the list, similarly we can remove from in between a list using an inbuilt Python list operation function remove. My underscore remove 10. Print the list after remove operator is my underscore list. As we have removed 10 from my underscore list, the output of the above code will be the list after POP operator is 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 30, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 21, 23, 24. Fifth one is count. As we can store duplicates in a list, a Python list operation is used to count the number of copies known as count. My underscore list dot extend 10, 20, 22. Print the list is my underscore list. Print number of times 21 is in the list are my underscore list dot count 20. After using the extend and count operator on my underscore list, the number of repetitions of 21 are, the list is 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 30, 11, 12, 20, 10, 20, 22. Number of times 21 is in the list are 2. Now let us look into tuple. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuple is one of the tuple is one of the four built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. The other three are list, set, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. A tuple is a collection that is ordered and unchangeable. Tuples are written with round brackets. Example, create a tuple. This tuple is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Print this tuple. Tuple items. Tuple items are ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicate values. Tuple items are indexed, the first item as index 0, the second item as index 1, etc. Ordered. When we say the tuples are ordered, it means that items have a defined order and that order will not change. Unchangeable. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change, add, or remove items after the tuple has been created. Allow duplicates. Since tuples are indexed, they can have items with the same value. Example, tuples allow duplicate values. This tuple is equal to apple, banana, cherry, apple, cherry. Print this tuple. Tuple length. To determine how many times items a tuple has, use the len function. Example, print the number of items in the tuple. This tuple is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Print len this tuple. Create tuple with one item. To create a tuple with only one item, you have to add a comma after the item. Otherwise, Python will not recognize it as a tuple. Example, one item tuple, remember the comma. This tuple is equal to apple, comma. Print type this tuple. This tuple is equal to apple. Print type this tuple. Let us look into dictionary. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection that is ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Example, create and print a dictionary. This dict is equal to brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. Print this dict. Dictionary items. Dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. Dictionary items are presented in key value pairs and can be referred to by using the key name. And the example is given below. Now let us look into the conclusion. In conclusion, Python is a popular programming language. It's used for many things like web development, data science, and scientific computing. It's easy to learn and has many resources available. Taking a Python course can help you learn to program or get a job that uses Python. There are many options to choose from depending on your goals and learning style. And thank you everyone.